Hello, once again. Good afternoon. Today it's Sunday. It's a 6th of June. You see this or that? It's my tomato. I plant everywhere. It's very healthy, guys. Look, I my fertilizer is purely bio. It's a compost made of fruit skin. I always mix with a grind eggshell because it's a very heavy in calcium and it's very good for the tomato, and this one will bear a lot of fruits. This is already 2 weeks since I plant. I don't pass to a nursery, it's just directly planted. Look, and I have many different kind. This is five types of tomato, and this is the dwarf one. You see it's very low. This is the land, the ground, and now it's bearing already flower. Look at that, so healthy. I'm proud a lot of our efforts. My daughter helped me a lot, and my son too. The weather is a perfect weather we have here now in France. Cold in the night and perfect temperature in the day. Today it's 25 degrees. If it's not over, because I was not able to see the meteo in my cell phone, but that is only my estimate. Perhaps I'm closer. And do you know what is Artemisia annua? This is a very important in my family, and not only in my family, to everyone. This is the Artemisia annua. Now, I planted besides the tomato because it's a very good partner. And of course, it's not only a tomato. I have also here a green beans. That one, it's zucchini. And this is a Greek basil. A very tiny leaves. It's a very good smell. Very nice odor. And just besides, I plant the Italian oregano. The one over there is the strawberry. Had it cover in the other box. And I planted a lettuce just yesterday. a yellow zucchini. My aubergine, this is a violet aubergine, because I have also variegated aubergine. Start a flower now. And this is I grind this, I blender. It's eggshell of a chicken, because it's against the slug. I have a cassis here. This is a cassis fruit tree. I plant everywhere. I plant like this since October. It's just I take a branch. And this is a grocery mini pots. I need to harvest this. We use this smoothie. It's a full of vitamin. Very good property in our body. And we have some hummus, but we harvest every morning for our breakfast. That is a hummus. Red berry. And this is our rain cloud. Let me see. I don't want to damage this. We have really a nice weather now. Look at these beautiful roses. Pardon. This is a very short apple. And this one I just plant a few. It's given by a friend. It's a violet potato. I planted because I want to have some seedlings after. I will multiply. let's see outside. I will show you my roses. Wow, this is beautiful. I plant roses everywhere. And I show you something. Our, what we call this? Cherry. Look at this cherry. It's not ripe enough because we harvest daily. This is beautiful lavender. Ah la la, magnific lavender. And look at the one behind. Oh, wow, beautiful roses. You see under? Oh la la. And this is coming soon to be open. It's our beautiful sunflower. The one over there, it will be my second page of my video. This is really beautiful, honestly. Look, just one branch. One branch, it's a massive whole flower. The bee is pollinating. Look. A lot of bee. This is the beauty of a lavender. my rose. Oh, beautiful, impressive. Now let's go upload this video. I have a money plant here. We call this a money plant. Flower everywhere. This is the one. It's an Artemisia annua. Good combination plant beside each other. Good match. Healthy. Bio fertilizer. Use compost, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share my video. Have a nice day.